Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ms.ShayButta. I hope you guys like my last video, story time. Anyway, recently I posted a picture on Instagram, and I got a little feedback on the picture and all that, talking about my ponytail, as y'all can see. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how I did it. So that's why my hair is looking all crazy right now. Do y'all see those curls though? Do y'all see those curls? I'm honestly thinking of, so you want to make sure you got all your hair all combed out and everything. But I'm honestly thinking I am going to be cutting my hair pretty soon. I'm just like waiting for the right time. But I just want to go back to my short hair. You guys remember? Like, I just miss it. And, it's been cool and all that. But yeah. So what you want to do is, I got my Ego Styler gel. And I got my Ego Styler gel. I got a brush. I got the little toothbrush for my baby hairs. And comb. And then I also been using this stuff. It's called Sister Oils. You can follow them on Instagram. It is a new startup, black-owned company, and she pretty much has just a bunch of oils that is good for your hair. My edges been growing back since I started using this. This one, I told her what I needed. Like, I needed strengthening in my hair, I needed growth, and I needed moisture because my hair is always drying out. So she recommended this one. It has coconut oil in it. It has Jamaican black castor oil and some other ingredients. I really like it, and it also, like, the container and stuff, it has like this, which is like really good. I never, like, it's different, like, you put the little drops and everything. So I pretty much just takes this and I just put some drops and I just wipe it into my hair, so I can just moisturize all of that. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put my hair in just like a regular bun. But you want to like slick it down and everything. So we're going to be using this gel. And start with that. You want to make sure your hair is really slick, so it could just look neat. So I'm going to go ahead. Don't judge me with my little ponytail. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bun. Look at that. That junk look like a Skittle. Anyways, I'm going to have it all working for ya. Usually, I would try to put my baby hairs down before, but this will do. Okay guys, so now I have this hair. This is just regular, this is Janet Kinkalon hair. So I hope this one don't be too big, hopefully not. So, and I have some rubber bands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put that through the rubber band, wrap it around one more time so it can be tight. Alright. So, oops. Yeah, honestly, if you don't wear nails on the daily, these nails are just so damn annoying. But anyway. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and hold this on my teeth, and you're gonna braid it, okay? So I'm gonna section this off. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I braided it all the way down, and I put another rubber band at the end. This part is really easy. You can go ahead and, like, you know, pull the braid out a little bit more if you want to make it wider and all that. And so, like, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this part of the rubber band and do it facing. I had to do it facing, and you can wrap it around it twice or just the one. And then the one hole, you're gonna fill a hole, you're just gonna flip that. So you're gonna flip it over your hair, and, like, basically it's gonna be like a ball, you know, like that. And it's gonna be like you're making a bun pretty much on it. So when you make your braid, you need pins for this too. I forgot to tell you guys, you need pins. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I got these bobby pins, and I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these. Alright. And I'm gonna pin the back first. Down. And you could, like, adjust it to how you like it. Like me, first off, I like mine to be a little bigger at the top, but I'll fix that in a minute. So just make sure you're pinning that down so it's not gonna move, because you do not want it moving, sis, at all. And make sure when you braid that you do make it wider at top so you can see the braid. Yep, it's a side thing. Whatever that means. I don't know what that... Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and pin the front down. And that's pretty much it, honestly. So you'll get better in time. This is probably my third time. I feel like the first time came out really good. This time is aight. You know what I mean? Like, it's doable. And you can do different colors, which is nice. That's how the back looks. I hope you guys can see. But it really doesn't look like anything in the back. Like, it doesn't look crazy or anything. And then you can go ahead and put your little baby hairs, you know, on the side with your toothbrush. So let's just get... You know, make that a little fleeky and all that. Look at that. Ow! You know? The way people do their baby hairs nowadays, like these little circles and stuff, I'm just getting used to this because I'm old school. When I used to do baby hairs, when I was back in, like, middle school, we just slide it down. That's it. Just put some water and go like that. So I'm trying to get used to this way because my sister checked me though. She was like, "You going out with your edges looking like that?" And I was like, "What's wrong with them?" She was like, "Let me help you." I was like, "Okay." Violate. Like, dang. That is the finished look, guys. Ooh. Pop in. Just look cute. Oh, look, guys, I got my nails done. Anyways, that was just a quick hair, you know, all about my hair and how I achieved this look. I hope you guys like my video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.